Hey guys, we're up in my room. This is gonna be Blizzard 10 series. It's gonna be after, and wow, it's gonna be a big snowstorm. So, yes, look at this. Just get a good view. You can see that both chairs fell down. I got lots of work to do. So, it is gonna be a big snowstorm. This is a big snowstorm. And wow, look at down here. It's about covering the whole thing. It's about covering the thing. Oh wow. You can't, there used to be steps right there, but you can't see them anymore. Not at all. But now look, a garbage topping. Wait, be quiet for a second. Kind of here, the wind gusts, but right here, just right by the garbage. You see the garbage thing I just got off. And get the winds. Yep, it is a big one. Stay tuned for Blizzard 11, but here's Blizzard 10. See ya.